Hi, what's up people? Welcome again. Martin Unix here. Today I want to show you on how to do a flat barrel roll on short dreadlocks. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe on my YouTube channel, like my work, comment and share to your friends. Welcome guys. Karibuni. Welcome again guys. Today I'm going to show you on how to do a flat barrel roll on short dreadlocks. And this is the way to go guys. You pick the strands on the same lane, then you wrap them around on the same direction up to the end of the flat barrel. Then you secure using one strand. I want my style to be a side sweep, which will come behind the ear, as well as being elevated from up to downwards. The first 3 lines guys were straight. Now I'm going to chip in my creativity by carving the barrel lines, the rest of the barrel lines, so that I can come up with a side sweep style which will bring out a girlish taste. You need to note that doing the barrel roll, you pick 2 strands one after the other, wrap them from same direction and repeat the same sequence all through. This is application of hinge control, guys, at the front part to hone the loose hair. So guys, this is the final outcome. We have done the flat barrel roll, which is a side swept just behind the ear to bring that girlish taste. It's really amazing, guys, interacting with you, and I really appreciate your support. So kindly share this to your platforms and be ready for more content, and invite your friends to subscribe into my channel. Thank you, guys.